the unexpected hidden gem highlight of our trip to Hong Kong Disneyland was the restaurant in Mystic Point. Oh, even saying those words, don't get me started. This experience is... Why am I getting tingles talking about it? I'm getting shivers, goosebumps all over me. It was that good. This is a semi-buffet experience in Mystic Point where you can enjoy a selection of salads and entrees in the buffet, as well as ordering a main course option and then returning to the buffet to fill yourself up with sweets and desserts. The restaurant itself is incredibly interesting. It's split into different sections of the world, featuring interesting decorations and designs from the various parts of the world. And the main entrance has all these cool masks as well. I find it so fascinating how every culture around the world seems to have a different type of mask. I think that's so cool, and I loved seeing all of these here. We sat in the Egyptian area, which was very nice. It was partly outdoors, and it was very cozy, some nice lighting in here, that pleasantly warm evening air. They say you can't get a second chance to make a first impression, and a first impression is made within the first 10 seconds. And within the first 10 seconds of entering this amazing restaurant, I knew this was the beginning of a very beautiful friendship between Hong Kong Disneyland and my stomach. I was like a dog pulling at the leash, just desperate to rush into the buffet room and just go insane. And I did. I went nuts. I had an absolute blast here. The food was incredible. There was so much stuff to choose from, and it was all delicious and fantastic and high quality. I'm salivating, drooling, thinking about it. I wish I could go back. I love it so much. I want to cry. This is so good. I can't even describe how good this is. Like, this is probably the best buffet I've ever been to in the world. One of the best dining experiences I've been to in the world. This was next level insanity perfection. I love it so much. I want to marry it and have kids with it. Maybe not that far. That's a little messed up, don't you think? So I went crazy for the entrees. I had a big old plate full of everything I could fit, and I loved every single bite. There's also some drinks you can choose from. I had a nice mango lassi. Wow, that's all I can say. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yum, 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 yum. That's my description. For the main course option, I ordered a burger, and boy oh boy, this was all so nice and so amazing. Look at it. Look at this burger. Soak it up with your eyes. Savor it. It's got a theming on the burger. What the heck? Why is it so good? That's insane. It was delicious as well. So cool. And then desserts. I can't even begin to describe how majestic, mystical this place is. The desserts, so nice. So interesting. Each little dessert is themed some way to something around the world. There's like pharaohs' tombs and pyramids, and I just am in awe. Hong Kong Disneyland. Food people. You're geniuses. This is insane. I would go back in a heartbeat just for this buffet experience. It was beautiful. A beautiful restaurant. And to top it off, the staff are incredibly friendly. They're so nice and so hospitable and so kind. Some of the greatest service I've ever had at a restaurant before. And they did such an amazing job. They made it a fantastic experience from start to finish. And they even came out at the end and gave us a special plate for Halloween with a nice message on it. And the waitress wanted to take a photo with us, which was so nice. Oh, such a nice memory. I love sharing my experience at this place in particular, because talking about it makes me go back there in my mind, and I can almost taste the delicious food. You have to go here. Don't worry about the rest of the park, just go straight to this place. Unfortunately, I had to leave the restaurant to go and watch a fireworks show in front of the castle. A boring fireworks show with boring fireworks and stupid Disney music and dumb projection mapping. What a bummer. I had to leave the most magical place on earth to go back out to Disneyland. Included in the dining was VIP access to the fireworks show, which I think was just a way to make people get out of the restaurant because otherwise they would just stay there forever and eat all the delicious food. They had to get them out of there somehow, so they just came up with, oh, what can we do? Oh, why don't we just chuck them out and distract them with some fireworks? I think that's why it all exists. I think Hong Kong Disneyland itself exists to just so people don't eat all the food at the buffet. A big thank you to the members and sponsors of Team YumYum for supporting my content. Thank you to the Team YumYum members, Randall, Malone Eats Coasters, Kai on the Internet, Oogie Boogie, Theme Park, Ogre, Jordan Casey, Johnny Boy 175, The Downy Cat, Mika, Kerry Jekin, Smath Mode the Awesome, Movies Like Everyone, Aston, and Breezy. And a very special thank you to the sponsors, Koala75, Audrey Allen, Senpai's JP Blue Dog, Senpai's JP Red Dog, Wayne Hewitt, Lee Donald, SWStevie1, The Kez, and Mr. WG. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.